In Next.js13 and above, neither getServerSideProps nor getStaticProps is supported. Instead, there is a simpler way to handle static side generation and server-side rendering. So in Next.js13, by default, this page will use static side generation even if the page depends on external data. So this fetch function will run only once on the build time, and then the data will be cached. Basically, it's the same as using getStaticProps in Next.js12. And of course, if the page does not depend on any external data, then the page will use static side generation by default. Now let's say that the external data gets updated frequently and you want to use server-side rendering, so you don't want to cache the data on the build time. In this case, you have to add the cache right here as an option, and you have to set it as no store like this. This way, the fetch function will run on every render request and the data will not be cached. So it is the same as using getServerSideProps. And if you want to use incrementing static regeneration in Next.js13, all you have to do is to add next as an option in the fetch function right here. And this next option will be an object. Inside that object, you should add the revalidate property, and here you should add the revalidate time in seconds. In our example, we will revalidate the data every 10 seconds. So this is how you can handle server-side rendering, static site generation, and incrementing static regeneration in Next.js13. I hope you learned something from this video. If you are interested about Next.js topics, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.